Wait, you're here. Amazing. Marcus Body Coding Live. Are you excited? Remember, new footwork every day. You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? See the move first. Let's go. Again. Looking good. Let's do it together. No excuses, remember. Let's go. This is tap 5 extended. We do tap, step to the back on the ball of the feet and step. And now tap, step, and tap to the side. Now again, tap, step to the back, step in place, and tap, step, tap to the side. Again, 1, 2, 3, and again, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. It can be also 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Doesn't matter. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Amazing, amazing. Do you like that move? Cha-ching. If you do that in today's party. And it doesn't matter what kind of party it is. And it can be hip hop party, salsa party, KIzomba party, Zumba party, whatever party it may be. And salsa on one and on two, because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing. Wait. You still here? Even more amazing. Let's do another practice. Are you excited about the new practice? Now, imagine yourself staring in the mirror, yeah? Checking your eyebrows and everything. But just after that, enjoy the practice. You don't see anything, right? No, everything got blank. Okay, now you see. We are live. Sometimes the phone is dropping. It's part of the thing. This is live. Let's go. With the left. Tap, step, step. Tap, step, tap. Tap, step, step. Tap, step, tap. Looking good. Tap, step, step. Tap, step, tap. Tap, step, step. Tap, step, tap. Again. Looking good. Tap, step, step. Tap, step, tap. This is tap 5 and this is tap 4. Together, tap 5 extended. Amazing. And if you got a little bit confused with all the names, you can check the link below, to the sides or above, to the full tutorial. Also full tutorial for tab 4 and full tutorial for tab 5. Together, what we did today, tab 5 extended. Yeah, extended. Remember, this is Marcus Body Coding, the place where we code the moves. They have names, so it will be easier for you to do them, yes, in the party. Wait, and what happens if you forget the move? Imagine you are in the party and you forget the move. But you have your phone, right? You have some internet packages as well, right? So you can go to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you see that video in, you can go to the corner, get the phone and practice with me, and then go back to the party. Yeah. Feeling all confident. Yeah, I know the move. Yeah, I know the move. And then, just in the middle of the party, you do the move. Yeah, show off a little bit. You practice. You deserve it. And do it today. Yeah, today. Today, why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. So meet you tomorrow here, Marcus Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. See you tomorrow.